Hi everyone, how are you doing? Kamal here and I welcome you all to the hands-on video of Windows 10 Mobile build 10586.122. Microsoft has just pushed this build to Windows insiders who are still on the build 10586. So in a way they are stuck because they cannot get the Redstone build because their devices did not ship with Windows 10 Mobile. They shipped with Windows Phone 8.1, so they can't get Redstone build being in the fast ring. So they will have to change the ring to either slow ring or release preview ring to get even this build, which is build 10586.122. So if you are a Windows insider on fast and you are in fast ring and you are still stuck on the build 10586.107, the last build, then you need to go to Windows Insider app, and then you either need to choose Insider Slow or Insider Release Preview to get the build 10586.122. As you know, unless Microsoft releases the Windows 10 Mobile officially to older devices, they are not supposed to get Redstone builds in fastring. So in a way, the fastring is now, kind of, we can't say dysfunctional, but it's pretty not usable because you would not be able to get any build being in there. So for the time being, temporarily, you have to move to Insider Slow, Insider Release Preview. Coming to how this build gets installed, whether the process is smooth or not, etc. So we need to say that Microsoft has figured out the process of this cumulative update because even 1.122 is a cumulative update to the last one, the last build, which was 10586.107. So the installation and update went very smoothly for me. It took around 40 to 45 minutes, and as we reported from the Microsoft update catalog, the build seems to be around 705 MB in size. So in around 45 minutes we saw that all the installation was done and even the data migration was covered. So pretty smooth experience for us. Coming to how this build behaves, since it brings lots of fixes and resolution to many issues reported by the insiders, it is supposed to be very smooth and it does not disappoint. You can see the build is very smooth actually. We can go to settings, we can see how fast it works. Actually for me it has been quite good as a daily driver till now. The camera is very fast. I mean, this is surprisingly a very good thing actually. I have found that the camera speed has either there are updates which have did that or it's with this build, but it's quite near instant. The camera opens and works also, so it's ready actually. So this is a real good improvement. We can see some third-party apps as well. So till now, the good thing is that I have not seen any crashes or any such kind of issues with this build. The build behaves quite consistently. Animations look good. It looks like a mature build. So since we have seen that even the last builds like 0.107 and 0.71 before that was also very smooth, very well behaved. So we can expect it to be better, and it really, as I said, it did not disappoint me till now. We can see some. Okay, we can check the browser now, the Edge. So here is a one test, small test, HTML5 test, and it scores handsomely, some 442 out of 555 points. It's really a good score. In my, if I try to recall, I don't think that my Internet Explorer was ever able to score such good score until very recently. So it says you are using S13 on Lumia 640 XL running Windows Phone 10, quite correct. So okay, if I go to the settings, we can see the settings correspond to 10586.122. So let's see how the multitasking works. So actually apps resume very, very fast. So this is a good thing about Windows 10 Mobile, that it has fixed the very uh, severe issue, or very I mean annoying issue, which users have already always complained on Windows Phone 8.1, and that was because many apps were not optimized. So we used to see dreaded resuming a screen, etc. But now it is fixed, which is really awesome news. So in a way, if I talk about this build's experience, the first impressions, as I said, again, I would like to repeat, are very positive, and we hardly see any issues, any crashes associated with this build. So we can rate it to be a very good daily driver. Talking about battery life, we have seen that the battery life has been very, very good on this build till now. So with Lumia 640 XL, which boasts of a very good battery, it is really excellent battery life. We think that we are getting more than 30 hours on Lumia 640 XL with, I mean, because I think I rate myself as a heavy user, but still it is working fine. So we can just tell you frankly that it's a very sorted out kind of build. The issues that we reported last time, most of them are I mean kind of fixed. We have not even faced the mail issue, where you see that funny server issue and errors. So this is all about this build 10586.122 on a Lumia 640 XL. You saw we doing some hands-on, and it behaved very well. And then we also shared the installation experience with you. Coming to bugs, we have not found any, surprisingly, but yes, we will explore, and maybe we can bring the builds experience on a low-end device like Lumia 525 later. So then at that time we will have some more time to play with the build already, and if we find anything, we'll come back to you. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.